Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? uLebo uthi sizothi ukhela uLebo. uLebo uthi awushoze nabara mihlolo wayibona barelana nakijobona mihlolo and ngibona mihlolo mu family nyaka. Usisi zothi uLebo ne. uLebo uthi awushoze mina ngikhule nomamami. I'm the only child, so ngikhule nomamami. Umamami beka umuntu ukuthi ikibo uyufundile, you were 3, so uyufundile, like she was the youngest kuma siblings wakhe. So and bekuyo intombazana ayi-1, and then laba abayi-2 they were my uncles. Bebangakafundanga but abantu abasebenza ngezandla. So my mom yena had the opportunity ukuthi ahamba yofunda ke, wafunda wa-obtaina i-degree. So uyasebenza and usebenza umsebenzi oright, bekasebenza under i-government. Awushoze mina mangikhula ngisesemncane, umamami nogogo wami, they had a relationship up until maka move to her house. Umamami bekanendlu, so wamuva from my grandmother's house wazithengela umuzi wakhe. La zinto ziqale khona ukushintsha. Umamami all of a sudden was like, ungaseka gogo wakho. Aw, wangaseka gogo wakho? Hayi gogo wakho akasi right. Yabona, like lobona like ube umzali lo ukuthi uyaku nokupha ama hints ukuthi hayi akasi right, but aka explain ukuthi why angasi right. Yabona, uthawu vele kucele kanjalo awushoze singasayi vele kagogo, ngasayi vele mina kagogo. Naye vele angayi uthi gogo wami one time weza vele ithi la umamami athi ngikhona umuzi uthi maketha vele umamami amxosha vele njengenje wathi angikufuni la ulithi izinto zakho zisnacks. Yabona, uthi ngabona lapho ukuthi mara like into yobangiwa kahle kahle inkulu, it's just ukuthi mina ngingana ngi-understand. Uthi umamami each and every time makuna something entsha yenza empilweni uyangibiza athi this and this and this is yours. Nawo amaphepha lami ngibhalile like everything yakhe yempilo bekayinotha phansi abhala angikhomba ukuthi ifile yakhe ihlala kuphi. And then she will tell me ukuthi if ever anything happens to me, uyenze sure before everyone afika la endlini uthathe le file le uyibeke in a safe place izokusebenzela. Uthi each and every time uthi kube ngathi umuntu owazi ukuthi kahle kahle isikhathi sakhe lana emhlabeni limited. Ngilobona ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uzohamba after a certain period of time, but mina ngimangala ukuthi kanjani umuntu every time like aka enjoy life, aka enjoy the moment, always uplanela ahead in case if uyashona, in case if yashona. But what I was choosing ngifunde mangifunda. Yabona, uthi one time umama usebusuku uthi like ascream mina ngisekama uthi ascream athi gogo wakho uyangibulala. Athi ngigijima vele ngikamareni vele kamama. Uthi mangifika athi kulobona like umuntu ongathi bekasephupheni mara ngathi bekuyenzeka like mara kuyiphupho. Athi ngimthole amanzi ngokujuluka the way like you can see ukuthi she was fighting, bekalona something but I don't know ukuthi asho vele athi mntwana wami gogo wakho uzongibulala uzama ngendlela zonke. Yabona, uthi ngizibuze ukuthi mara gogo umenzani umama. Yabona, uthi one time ugogo umama emsebenzini, mina I decided ukuthi you know what, ngiyakugogo, I just want to find out ukuthi yena umama babanga yini. Uthi funny enough mina mangifika gogo wami uyangijabulela ungenzele ukudla ngize ngidle mina. At the relationship benginayo nogogo wami ne bengafani ne relationship umama anayo. Ngilobona, uthi mina mangifika gogo uyangijabulela mntwanami, uyangihlabela nenkukhu asapheke, uthi like kube mnandi. Ngize ngimbuze mina mangidla lapha ngithi kanti gogo umama wona nomama nibanga yini. Yabona, athi hayi mama kuyangiphaphela. Uthi ngimbuze gogo ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi kahle kahle yini engangenza ukuthi nina no2 umntwana wakho intombazana kuuye yedwa ningaswani. Yabona, ugogo mathi angazi wayengabuzi yena, buza yena ukuthi yena kahle kahle ubangisa mina nanganza lo muntu nithi ngifuna ukumbulala. Phela yena uthi mina ngifuna ukumbulala kusho ugogo. Futhi mina ngifuna ngakuzala ngakufaka esiswini uhlale 9 months yonke ngize ngikukhulise ngikugqokise ube mdala ngijike ngifuna ukubulala wangabe ngimbulala sesiswini. Yabona, uthi kusho ugogo kanjalo. Hawu uthi awushozi hayi vele ngiphindele vele ka uthi mangifike vele ngimshiye ukuthi ayi mina bengiyeka gogo. Ugogo uthi wena uthi yena uthi wena uthi ufuna ukubulala, but surprisingly into emsurpriseayo ukuthi wena uthi or uthi wena ufuna ukuthi uthi wena ufuna ukubulala, but into emsurpriseayo ukuthi yena ukhare 9 months azange zakubulala usisi sesiswini wami ukuthi akubulala ungaka. Yabona uthi mama mvele akunyanyi athi uye kuphi hawu lo muntu bekangakubulala mara ungasaphindwe. Uthi vele like athethe uthi like I couldn't understand ukuthi kahle kahle sibakiwa ke ini. Yabona uthi one time imlongo isihlalela eDixie Rank uthi kuvele umunye ubaba vele uthi angitshela ukuthi wena mntwana kasibani bani unjani uphi mamakho. Yabona uthi mina awushoske ngithu kule ngingaka ubaba mina ngingamazi ukuthi ubani, and like mangibuza umama wami just bekangafuna ukukhipha like ama answers ukuthi ubaba mobani. So lelo langa ngisiTaxi Rank umuntu abiza umama wami ngegama lakhe sesemncane athi kuphi bani. Yabona ukutshelela ukuthi waye angixoshe empilweni yakho. Yabona or I was just like ngibe puzzled ukuthi lo baba lo empilweni yami you should like he's my dad. Yabona uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ubani, uthi vele ubaba ngichazela ukuthi hayi mina bengumuntu kamamakho but umamakho ngishintshile nje mona maqedwe uzala ukuthi why angazi, but the cause is ugogo bekangangifuni. So I think ukuthi gogo wakho wayenza something umama wakho ukuthi mama wakho anginyanya. Yabona uthi ngithola ile explanation ukuthi oh that's why umama am like ane issue nogogo wami. Yabona uthi vele lo baba vele angipha ama contact numbers angicela ukuthi umfonele ngilakhe ngoba ngikutholela kudala ngimbuza umama wakho ngawumala angafuni ngawo. Yabona ura awushozi ngihambe ngendlini uthi mama makabe emsebenzini ngimtshele ukuthi ngihlangana nomunye ubaba ubani sothi babudubu uthi wena wamxosha empilweni yakhe and ufilivu ukuthi because of my grandmother. Yabona uthi vele umama mvele asikhihla isikhala uthi vele akhala uthi angitshela athi akuthi wena mangikhulele gogo wakho beyafuna ukuthi ngiabort. Yabona bafuthi ngiabort athi mina ngiyamhlazisa ngizoba umntwana wakho kucala ngizoba nomntwana out of wedlock ngakashadanga. So bengimele ukuthi mina ngisiso ngisikhiphe and beyangathanda ifamily kibo babakho, so and beyangafuna ubabakho. So I believe ukuthi ugogo wakho wasihlukanisa ngemithi. Ugogo wakho umntwana uyathakatha uthi vele ayibeke public manje ukuthi ngiunderstand ukuthi kahle kahle kwaye kune this hate between bona boyi-two. Athi ugogo wakho umntwana uyathakatha, wakuthakatha ubaba wakho ukuthi angangiloboli, wathakatha ubaba wakho ukuthi angakuhlawuli, wathakatha ubaba wakho ukuthi mina naye vele sicabana singasazwana because ubaba wakho was a good man. Yaba ora ushoze ngihlale phansi ngianalyze lento lengithi abana lesi sigadla lesi angazi. Yabona uthi ngidecide ukuthi you know what mina I'm going to confront my grandmother. Angeke ngihlale ngendaba engabo mama maka emsebenzini ngihambe mina ngiyeka gogo wami ngimfike ngibuza gogo ubaba uDube nomama bahlukanisa yini. Yabona ugogo uthi ayi mina ngazi umama wakho athi mina umama ungitshela ukuthi wena bofuna ukuthi angiaport why. Yabona ata mama kan akutshela amaqiniso mina akusiyi wokuye bekafuna ukwenza lezo zinto. Uthi ugogo vele aphiki athi umama uhlukane noDube because of yena bekuyindaba zabo and futhi yena zangathi angiabort. Yabona ngiphindele kumama wami from my grandma ngithi nabona amhle iqiniso mama mfana ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi kahle kahle nogogo wami banga in because omunye uthi umama wami asho athi mina ngaba preg kokucala ugogo wakho wangiphuzisa imithi isisu sami saphuma, ngaba preg kubi2 wenza the same thing wena umntwana wami uyi3 kahle kahle not my first child. So okwamanje that's why ngije ukuthi gogo wakho angalunganga ubeyafuna ukuba bengimncane nga understand the more ngikhula ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo akasi right for impilo yami. Yabona uthi from there vele umama mvele acasuke vele alanda ugogo wami amtshela ukuthi if ugogo qiniso waye ungakutshela umntwana ukuthi what really happened uthi uhlula ukufihla umntwana when uyathaka uthi like asho in front of me uyathakatha ngihlala ngikubona uza kwami ngemithi uhluleka ungena ujihe wena uzungihame uyathakatha mama uyathakatha ufuna ukungibulala ungibangisa ungibangisa ukuthi mina nginendlu yami. Yabona uthi vele kube ba exchange nesonga amagama kube lona lo uthi lona uthi vele umama mahambe sibele endlini. Uthi vele masifika endlini athi kimi athi you know what umntwana wami into engiyenzile izongibulala gogo kuzongibulala for sure. Athi yabona ungaphela lo nyaka lo ngisaphila ngabe kuyinhlanhla asho kanjalo umama. Uthi ngibe puzzled ukuthi mina ugogo wami like alright, so I don't think ukuthi we fly by night. Yabona asho ugogo wami umama uthi asho kanjalo ave aguqi athandaza. Uthi ngibona ukuthi like into ayikhulumisayo like ulelisha alcohol uchuhile kifie ukuthi she might do something, but I don't believe ukuthi gogo amangenza something to my mother. Yabona olebo awususi umama nogogo wami bacabane kuyi-Thursday beyi-Thursday mabacabana naleyo langa zabathana sathi like uyafila ukuthi gogo wami uzombulala. Uthi Saturday morning to Friday morning umama umsebenzi makabuya wathi ishi ngiphethwe ikhanda angise-right wathi uphethe ikhanda uthi Saturday morning awushuza ke ukuthi usha mama ka ngimthola ushonile just like that ana sign ya ubajwa urliaro twerke hlogo on Friday. Saturday morning beka shonile uthi mangithi ngimvuzo ngithola umuntu vele uthulile ngithi ngiyambamba ngithi umuntu uyabanda bo umuntu ushonile uthi awushuzi like I didn't know what to say uthi ngibelieve ukuthi or ngibelieve ukuthi ukokwambulele or like she died of natural causes or bulawa ikhanda uthi benga understand uthi ngascreama vele ngabiza amakhelwane abomakhelwane vele yiwafonela ugokwami bafonela nomalumami nabomalumama bayi2 uthi like bengi puzzled ukuthi lo muntu lo nobeka right 1 minute uyashona yabona uthi umakhelwane abaqeda ufonela ugokwami uthi ugokwami vele uze vele masinga ube uyocela vele afika vele wamkhumula like Frederick ezihambile. Hi bye guys. Nabona ukukhuluma ngezinto ezisebusuku. Ikese vele ya trap acaba manje will okay sharp uthi awushuzi ufikile vele endlini yabona makafike endlini first thing ayenzile vele ukuthi akhumulisa umama uthi amkhumulisa uthi kimi makamkhulumisa khani regular time offer yabona uthi vele amkhumulisa everything uthi amshare so uthi awushuzi ukhiphe enye into eshayina uthi amgcubisa umzimba wonke uthi like I'm standing there watching uthi bengikhala ne but ngiyambheka vele uthi kwenza amasinga vele umufufulo ke uthi la yamgcobisa vele uthi like the whole body but something eshayinayo uthi mina as a child I didn't know ukuthi umuntu makashonile umenzani. So into bekayenza I thought ukuthi into right because of ugogo umuntu omdala so be first time yami ngibona isidumbu yabona empilweni yami uthi amgcoba uthi amgcoba or amdota even likumuriring yabona akadalane nathi basemgcokise masini uthi vele ngamnceda vele ukuthi amgcokise vele uthi something sambeka like a blanket yabona to cover yabona uthi awushozi but like ngize ngizibuza ukuthi why ayenzela amasinga so why ngabiza omunye umama wasengistore or someone yabona uthi vele abantu mabafika vele aphuma ngale vele masinga azihlalisa vele ngale phansi dining room or awushozi like kwaba nenembeza kimi esho ukuthi azimama like beyakhuluma iqiniso ngalo mama but bengasisho ukuthi ikhona into wrong ayenzile or the minute vele kuba na this thing etlika ukuthi my mom was right ngacabanga lela file or awushozi ngathatha lela file ngathatha ngahamba ngalibeka khabo umngani wami ngathi umngani ngicela ukuthi ungibekele this thing ungibekele in a safe place and ungayivuli yabona uthi vele ngabu uthi mangibuya vele endlini umuntu ohleli lapha abantu mabangena uthi awushozi for umuntu omzali the first thing mawuzobona umntwana khwalele lapha lifeless angana or it's king or the first thing neke expectile from my grandmother ukuthi uguqa phansi akhale like a normal a parent mangayenza uma luza ingane uthi ugogo amazanga zakhale azange ufike vele wazazi already aphethe lento la iphethe amgcobisa masinya maqedalana hamba asiphumisa azisa ngale dining room uthi maqala kuza abantu uya pretend ukukhala uthi yambona mara umuntu o pretend ukukhala but angakhali uthi awushozi ya pretend vele ukukhala uthi ngibona ukuthi this woman evil for sure umama umthethe uthi hayi isikhathi isichube vele kanjalo bomali mamvele nabo abayithu bafike yabona uthi lo munye umdala vele aze nomfazi wakhe uthi lo mfazi lo athi yimi athi izinto zaka mama kusibeke safe uthi first thing makafika aqeda ungihaka nje ukuthi uzoba right angizibuza izinto zaka mama ukuthi usibeke safe na ngithi ini izinto zaka mama yabona athi like ama documents and stuff usibeke safe na uthi mina ngazi next years like I'm still puzzled uthi ngisho ukuthi ngisibeke safe because I just want to find out ukuthi kahle ufuna ini mina ini yabona or awushoze hayi vele kube ma preparation kanjalo kube or ikulobana like ufila working out of body experience yeah umzimba wakho ulapho but wena ngathi umele emafini like you're watching everyone making a decision ngempilo yakho bakhuluma izinto without even consulting you when you're just there watching everything but ukhona la ngomzimba yabona uthi ngifeel like that kushuthi ngibona ukuthi abantu laba kahle especially my grandmother ushilo ukuthi like I will take over everything uthi kube uya ama decision makers uyaba i decision maker ku everything akangiconsult ukuthi mama kubhekanani mama kubhekanani uye akayenze so akayenze senza so asimbulungeni lapha kweviki lo muntu angaqeda ifridge in yabona izinto ezinjalo aba consult mina as a child uthi umkamali mami lo ngibuza ngama documents athi no mama zali angeke sithi sifuna ungqoba umuntu ngelangeliso singakabiza ngomntwana wakhe singabuza ukuthi amapolice anjani uma umntwana wakhe ufuna ukungqoba nini yabona uthi hayi asokubuza ingane izinto so ingane le ayazi next yabona ikubona mara ngathi umuntu uyenza so ngifila kanjalo yabona so uthi vele ungamama kube uye vele like lokho olwayo ukuthi no we cannot do anything that we want kulo muzi lo muzi lo unengane eningane yakhona seyindala like asimekeni abe part of decision making basenza ama decisions si consult naye icala ungabe ukuthi thina sifuna ukufika la sizenze lo mntwana uyibe kahlala nomama wakhe so show lo mama kumtshela ukuthi if anything happens to her ayenze yabona uthi like khobe makhathama lo maka ololang dilo tja mamaka uthi ngibona ukuthi lo mama lo kahle kahle uze ngama pure intentions akazanga la ukuthi uzoba khona even and stuff like that yabona or I was choosing ugokwami like mangicala ngikhuluma like kube ngathi ngienemy yakhe athi awuzongitshela umntwana bingimazi ngoba uthi mangathi ngikhuluma something kube uye like ukhulumayo uthi ridira so yabona uthi mangaza nombona ridira so ku everything ufuna ukuba yiboss uthi ngibize one of my uncles ngithi mina malume I know ukuthi mama mfuna ini so if ever ngafuna so if ever ningafuna yazi guys ngikhuluma nesito sikhathi bani 6 minutes to 2 AM that's why nje ngifila ama experiences are wrong experience it is wrong yabona uthi athi if ever like you want umama ukuthi arrest in peace asenze izinto according to the way mama mafuna ngakhona bekathanda ngakhona ngiyacela like ngizotshela wena wena kube ngathi ukutshela umama wakho ukuthi wena umfisa usisi wakho simenzeni uthi umalume vele avume uthi vele bathi discuss everything kubhalwe phansi umalume vele bahaya kumama wakhe vele uthi vele ayivele already sebathi discussile bazwene ukuthi so atshele vele umama ukuthi noma rotlodira so are doing so yabona kungabangamtshela ukuthi ama ideas uwami or I was choosing I vele kwenziwe kanjalo vele kuthiwe kuplaniwe ukuthi vele uzongcoba the following Saturday because kwambika first ukuthi angcotshwe Wednesday yabona so mina vele ngatshela kwami ukuthi umuntu ubekasebenza nabantu and abantu abaningi bayamazi so let's give everyone a chance ukuthi basemncobeni ngeke simncobe during the week kube ngathi parabele ngasebenzi yilobona so bengicela silungise izinto zakhe kahle during the week then weekend isimuphe dignified funeral yabona so what I was choosing vele umalumam vele astande nami umalumam lo umfazi wakhe ongirelayo uthi vele amenami ku prepare me like that I was choosing go ifihle vele Friday istumbu vele singene vele nkajarata or I was choosing azangi thina siyo consult and my grandmother was like hi king motho wa nkere ba ngadi le work natural death re tla fa batla eng cause motho o tlhokofetsa robetse ke lehula go o ikhutsitse motho o ikhutsitse bona uthi bekana this thing like and umkamalumam like uyibe kaphusha uthi hayi mana siconsulteni umuntu engingavele savuka shonile yabona thi ya the doctor dimcheckile ba re natural death yabona ugogo uyibe ka foster we didn't consult Friday istumba singena ukokwamvele ngoba uyevele ayetlang kopi nane ke makala hore kokwaka o tlokofaletswe but ufuna controller yazi amahlokofaletswe uhlala phansi kube nabantu abawutsamayelang kopeli wona just give instructions then bona bayenza izinto zifunayo uthi kokwambe kuuye uthi bulang kinya komona bulang lipokisile or I was standing there uthi in everything ngicabanga ukuthi bengibetray mama ngilanda lokho kolonya kwakhe azangiphekele ngidle angitshela ukuthi lo mama akasi right but ngingabelieve athi the sad part is that ngirealize manje sekashonile angasakhona ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngikutshelile or I was just like ngamnyanya lo ya mama ngenye indlela ukuthi ngibone ukuthi lo muntu lo ngathi lento yenzakala yena to her ngathi party mule kiyakomona uthi vele bamvule vele umama mvele uthi amcheck uthi ambamba I was choose no ngari ke doctor o examine a patient amocheck amvule amcheck vele amcheck ora ngana ke bila bamxotshe amanke imxotshe uthi the very same oil leyana ayisebenzisa lela langa qeda ushona amgcobise ngayo like the whole body uthi like everyone abe shocked but ngisabe nokumbuza kanti wayugcobisa lo muntu lo ongayithunga into le ukubona uthi vele amgcobisa athi ya lekamgwalela or awushozi ngakhala esinye isikhalo ne uthi ngakhala into ngayazi uthi ngakhala ngasho ukuthi ya abara motho ke moloyo tlo mmona re motho ke moloyo uthi ngakhala uthi mangqeda ukhala la usikhala ngwanaka ukhujije usikhala umadulo ngamabotse emwaleni ngilobona uthi ngifile ukuthi yena to her it's not a big deal ukuthi lo muntu lo ushonile ngilobona so uthi ayivele iFriday indlule uSaturday vele uhambiwe kungcwatshiwa uthi awushozi vele bamngcwaba umama like that ube the after tears hayi vele abantu vele ba prepare abantu balungise mama society bawashi izitsha everything yabona or awushozi lela file leli likhona ne uthi the only thing engayikhipha izinto zakhe ze-burial ukuthi angcwatshwe ukuthi inemsebenzini everything uthi ngashiya khona lapha yana ngisho ukuthi after aqeda usinqoba la that's when la ngizoyenza process ye ukuthi ngiyadlima izimali and stuff uthi ugogo ukuthi the very Sunday uthi the very Monday yakhona ekseni ugogo am already sayile emsebenzini besiba informile ukuthi umama ushonile ngisho uthi already sayile emsebenzini afuna uklema izimali without my knowledge awuschoose uthi how mina bayangifonela likhona lemsebenzi kamama ukuthi no your grandmother ola and thina lana sinegama lakho kuphela akekho omunye umuntu ambhalisile yabona uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ugogo wami ubani amagama kagogo amathini uthi amtshela ukuthi no sine ID kagogo wakho lo usifana baba uthi uzoklema izinto zaka mamakho uthi ngibatshela ukuthi akuna cent lo mama uzoyinuka lapho ngitshinele ukuthi ajike my mom gave me everything so I know ngizoza mina mangi-right ukuthi I will claim each and everything yakhe or I was sure ngithope ifone uthi bengibhizi vele ngisabuthana izinto zaka masisabutha vele naba nomkamalo umama vele nalaba basele vele bama extended family members sisabutha umuntu nasajahila hamba uyoclaimisa imali without my knowledge all I was sure vele aze vele kamama uzaria ke ke go thusha a nya go thushega ke go lebela dutsa mama gago go display jang or ba ska mfasele wena o tlo ditlela ga botse ngwana ke mang mo ga ka le wena ba le wona ngwana tsatso gore o go ka nna go re dira jwang yabona uthi vele afike vele anyanyile uthi ngimtshela ukuthi gogo mina izinto zaka mama ngizozhendlela ngeyami indlela and the minute thing ready okwamanje I'm not ready so ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi uphume izintweni zaka mama because umama mina ubhalise mina and umama mongijilile ukuthi yena ngizinto zakhe ngiyenze ini so ngithungwa le ngoya mama ka itlo hendlela ishakeni uyabona we Monday or our shows on a Tuesday everyone ubuthile everyone sebayahamba vele sengiyasala ke mina uthi my other cousin omunye athi you know what cousin I think ukuthi ngcono ngizohlala nawe ngiyakuhlalela nendlela one after into yenzekile so I think it's best ukuthi ngize ngizohlala nawe lana uthi cousin nami ilabantu laba abane ukhalo loku-red and white nebabona uthi ngizohlala nawe la for isikashana and then the minute already uthi ungahlala kuyi-one uzongitshela uthi hayi vele kube agreement yethu vele swethu uthi vele sihambe swethu hambe uthatha izinto zakhe vele eze vele azomova in nami or awushozi the first night abantu sebahambile sisilele swethu uthi masilele ebusuku besizwe endlini ukuthi kunomuntu but singamboni uthi bosizwa vele bokukutuma nyadilo boshiho marara sikakho risabona silo yabona uthi but the funny part uthi awushozi omunye nomunye umuntu la emhlabeni onomnuko wakhe uthi makutumana so uthi bengizwa umnuko kamama ukuthi yabona lo muntu lo okutumana ngila this is my mother uthi bengisenze ukuthi umama uthi vele ngivuka ngithi mama uthi ngimbize uthi mawuthi mama uthi ukuthule ukuthi tu for isikhathi eside uthi bengizwa ngomnuko ukuthi yabona lo umama uthi yenzeke vele for 2-3 days uthi my cousin angitshela athi khona into esalana uthi ngimtshela ukuthi nami ikhona into engifila each and every time lento le mayiza yabona athi ke mina let's go and consult and find out ukuthi kahle kahle into esalana yini yabona uri awushozi sithi side swithu singatsheli abantu abadala sithi swithu ukuthi asambe athi ngizokusa kumuntu omthwasiselini ukugobela ngizokusa ukugobela yami and go and consult ukuthi kahle kahle what's going on yabona lo ule uthi ngimtshela ukuthi lo muntu oza la umama ngiyamuzwa ngomnuko umama, this is my mother uzala, there is something wrong singayi-understand. Uthi vele sihambe vele sifike uMakhosi. Uthi masifike vele uMakhosi athi Makhosi before azothi ulahla amathambo phansi, uthi angitshela athi mama hawarobala shem, athi asingashonga next avele angitshela athi mama hawarobala, mama hawarobala and thubenya komirayo na anyake walwa. So ukuthi aze lapha endlini uvusa wena emacaleni ukuthi vuka ulwe angalalanga. What I was choosing something in me yangitshela ukuthi ugokwami uthi lo Makhosi angitshela athi ambe ethuneni la kamamakho ulibheke ukuthi manihamba nishethuneni nokunjani, athi ulibheke for next 7 days uthi lo kanjani. If ever kunama sign angasi right uwabona uthathe lo mhlabathi ubuye nawo la nibuye futhi. Or awushoza masuka kuMakhosi sangisathe sendlini sahamba back sa straight emathuneni. Or arifihla komabetlengi athi kulobona like kube ngathi umuntu bekagubha ithuna, uthi kulobona like amathuna mani masise fresh, angisho ithuna masise fresh liba so ngisho lenhlabathi bayisaphezulu then bayivala ngamathi masayidini, yabona. Athi bobona ukuthi khona umuntu bekagubha la. All I was just the very same day as angisathi sayendlini futhi sakuthathana nomhlabathi sawuthela eplasticini sat back to Makhosi. Makhosi angitshela athi umama kuba afuna ukumsebenzisa any process ayingaqalanga, so it's up to you to save her. So kumele ukuthi umsave, and mangamsave fanele kube ngathi kube ngeceremony ngathi uzomngcwaba futhi cause angangcwabekanga. Or I was just bengimncane but I didn't know what to do. Or the first person engimcabangile umkamali mama uthi ngamfonela ngathi umhatsha malume na indaba 1 2 3 4 5 uthi umkamali mama athi mina bengisaba ukutshela athi kwakho uyaganga noma makho uyazi uyaganga. Uthi umkamali mama athi mina izongidlula cause ngihlile kamo kaHomo ake wakamo ngizotshela umalume makho but ngizomtshela ukuthi secret ukuthi sizama ukulalisa umamakho. Uthi vele atshela umalume wakhe, uthi umalume awushozi hobe ngari ke modiwa mo director, uthi umalume aze direct eyithi angibuze kahle face to face ukuthi nithi kwenzakalani. Uthi ngimchazele ukuthi noma silala nebusuku ukhona umuntu ozala but ngiyakhona ukuza umnuko kamama. Uthi umama ozala ever since imngcwabile especially Tuesday songasana abantu uzile la wazana Wednesday, then that's when we decided mina nokhazi ukuthi asambe so consult. So bashela ukuthi umama lana khona bafuna ukumsebenzisa but abangakhona iprocess ayingathi iphela. So mina for me to save her fanele save him and then sicale kube ngathi simngcwaba futhi kube iceremony ukuthi ngathi siyamngcwaba mara emhlabele home, yabona. Then simtshela ukuthi usakhambisa but we need to do a ritual qala, yabona, ukuthi simbizela nakhona akhona ukuza ngapha ngakakhe. Or awushoza umalume angahali next asahana asaphika angameli umamakhe kube ngathi umuntu wazi ukuthi vele ugogo ngibathobala bawuselika. Uthi the Makhosi vele umalume athi asambe sikulo Makhosi ukutshela zonke lezi zinto, hambe so consult ngikhona ngimuzwe izinto azikhuluma. Or awushoza siyeke Makhosi afike uthi yonke into ayikhulumelela akhulume the very same thing ngomalume. Athi umalume athi ayiphonsa amathambo phansi sibone. Uthi hayi uMakhosi aphonse phansi amathambo athi yabona lo muntu lo uyeza uthi uyeza ebusuku ufuna usizo mlaliseni, mangamlalisi bazomthatha bamsebenzise. Uthi uMakhosi akhiphe straight armotho mongwadi tabathe adeleni tabathe ke mkhekolo sho ke mmago lena athi umalume kanjalo athi ke mmago lena ke yena mongwa go dira ditabathe. Gore awushozi umalume bangathi uphele athi wabapale same time. Uthi umalume amtshela athi ke bekaye gore dize process ya everything. Uthi baba lo artisan nenkomo isini 15,000 mina ngizonceda but it's going to be a difficult journey. Fanele izimisele ukuthi nizoyilwa lempile because manje ngayilwe kahle is either one of you will die or gogo uzoshona. Or awushoza umalume akudabukela kudabuka khona, if kuyadabuka kudabukela khona ngixotha le chelete. Uthi awushoza ngitshela umama ngithi umama ukhona imali account yakhe ngayi-withdraw sithengene inkomo same time unalona chelete. So ngicela ukuthi senze le process masinya before izinto zimosheka uncle. Uthi umalume athi no problem asihlangane nekusasa. awushozi the following day mama ngayi emsebenzini angayi emsebenzini ufuna ukulungisa this thing because they said before 7 days if 7 days yashaya ngeke basokhona ukumbuyisa lo muntu bamncwabe kahle kusho ukuthi la kuloba qualifying labathakathi yabona uthi hayi vele mama vele ngayi emsebenzini vele uthi ekseni vele vroeg in the morning vele eze ngebhaki athi samsofuna inkomo mtshana imali yokhona ukuyikhipha uthi vele ngimtshele ukuthi malome yokhona ukuyikhipha imali uthi uqalwe ebank imali vele iphume ora awushozi sihambe ke sifuna inkomo uthi inkomo vele sithola uthi sihambe vele sika makhosi umakhosi afika ahlanganisa izinto zakhe athi ngile nkomo le nizoyishala kwami ngizoyisebenza le nkomo le and then nina today ebusuku midnight nohlala lapha ethuneni macala avuka lo muntu lo nasprinkler ethuneni then yahamba nendlela uzondilandela endlini manifika endlini yisprinkle everything sprinkler from egate nasprinkler konke into ukuthi as direct ukuthi kuphi qeda landela mina immediately ngicela sprinkle endlini ngifonele mina ngisotholana lapho sihamba uzosidirect ukuthi uhlala kuphi lizombona ukuthi uhlala kuphi awushozi already ngudlorketha TV kokubothi udlorketha TV ngeke uzubhilive or awushoza umali bami bekasabuke emathuneni namsi2 wabiza omunye umngane wakhe vele uthi sikhapha sinedis mission ekumele siyenze and siyasaba yabona uthi like vele kuyathusa emathuneni but we had to fight ukuthi umama arrest in peace or awushoza sorry uthi awushoza sahamba ke basinikile phela imithi uthi so sprinkle lapha ethuneni by midnight uthi mazithi 12 o'clock bela kumabitleng or awushozi sprinkle sprinkle bathizeni singabheke emuva sihambe sendlini uzosilandela or awushozi sahamba masifike egedini umalumami vele wahasha indlu wahasha ngaphezulu wahasha everywhere endlini uthi salinda ke or awushozi masilinda vele sayizwa vele into samuzwa vele umuntu wasingenela vele wangena igate wangena egedini uthi mawubheka angeke ubone umuntu nothing you won't see anything uthi vele nanoma ngene endlini uyayizwa vele senda ukuthi umuntu angena uthi vele immediately makangena vele ngambiza ngathi mama uthi kwathula kwathi tu leso sikhathi umakhosi na already sakafikile or awushoza umakhosi wayini izinto zakhe wayithi luja hawaii zathi washaya amapempeti wabathi uthi avele ahasha athi sikhombisa ukuthi umnikazi wakho ubani ngiyakutha mali wena rabona nje ngiyakuthusha uthi vele akhulume uthi sifuna ukukunceda umntwana wakho ufuna ukukunceda sokulalise urubalishe ukhutshe uthi vele akhuluma yabona uthi awushozi mara ayina yabona uthi awushozi vele aqede vele ukukhuluma vele umakhosi uthi vele kuthule uthi vele makuthula umakhosi yena kube huye ayiwana khona ukumbona thina singamboni athi nomuntu lona uyawoka thina simthe ukuthi asimboni yabona asimboni uthi makhosi akhiphe iplastic alengo akisebeke orkemuni ngarkemlore something ewan athi asithi la emehlweni mina nomalumami nalomngane kwamalumami or immediate manje kwenza kanjalo uthi awushoze khona umbona kanti ulithenere mulukile ngadapiri nangisho lakhe le bekagcokile even nale two piece vele bekagcokile or everything yaka awushoze rembone Kurmuthula ashu uthi awokha slowly uthi like samlandela samlandela waze wangivula igate kagokwami wangene kagokwami ngasemuva kulomkhukhu or awushozi wahamba vele warotate indlu wayangale move emkhukhwini wavula vele wangena khona kwabe vele ukudisappear kakhe or awushozi thina zangisingene vele zama ngaphandle wakati usima ngaphandle umakhosi waphuma vele nginzinto zakhe vele wathela wathasambeni masinko kwamangasiboni sahamba awushozi masendleleni kokwami ufonela umalumami yamfoni uthi awushozi mothola ndira everything oribone but ngazange simbone mara nisibonile uthi afonela umalumami alidira ngakakamatha uthi umalumami wathi mina ngangibonama ngalapha akukubona nilongonyana ulidira ngakakamatha or awushozi umakhosi ashe ukuthi abona iprocess soyenza fanele ukuthi be very fast because lo muntu lona uzomblock lo muntu uzomfasa ngentambo angazi bathi bafasa ngentambo bakufasele hangering we don't know bathi uzomfasa ngentambo yangarini ukuthi angakhona ukuphuma so fanele ukuthi le process yenze mase or awushozi masifike kithi inkomo kamakhosi ofonela abantu sangagutha lethi inkomo uthi awushozi rahla bahomo ubushigo kamatha wankwa wahlaba inkomo uthi awushozi lo baba lo wakhuluma wathi sathe lesikhomba lesenkomo sibile emathuneni awusoze vele sithatha vele lesikhumbalisana uthi saye emathuneni or awusoze sifika laphayana vele kwagujwa vele almost half ithuna kwagujwa uthi uMakhosi vele wakhuluma uthi vele uMakhosi vele wambiza vele mama muthi wamitha kadi poropeta wambiza or awusoze ari shu uyetla and utla somkhekulu mshete morao or awusoze immediately makafika vele ari faka sokpa kapeli uthafaka isikupo atela rking imithi uthathela imithi vele lapha ethuneni uthathi valani masinga uthi vele maluma mngani wakhe vele nalamatosana manje avala awusoze uthi aspringlish uthatha ispikiri uspikiri vele asihlaba lapha in between of lethuna uthi asihlaba lapha asikokote arusakhe losajwa kamo abakubitsa urane uthi vele amcommand ungasaphumi abangathi bakubiza la bathi ungavuki lalo roba le kakhujo ulwele ngwana ga go lekalibitleng gore plana basekamtshia ba modire wena wabona or awusoze sicela na vele uthi they immediately must start the process sihambe vele siyendlini athi singasashela uMakhosi ashela ngingabheki emuva samenzini endlini uthi vele sihambe vele sendlini or awusoze masicela ukufika endlini vele afike vele uMakhosi vele asigeze mina nomalume nalomngane uthi vele asigeze immediately makusigena asigeze awusoze or kabo AM ugogo ambeka segedini uthi ugogo ambeka segedini she was furious ukuthi thina samthakatha sifunani kwakhe ngamatha or awusoze umuntu ngathi bamtshotsheli 1 million angiso uthi bekathukwana or awumakholwane baze bavuka and beside lokho ukuthi amakholwane babona ukuthi sine something siyenzayo ebusuku but they know ukuthi because of ngicela ushonela umama cha ukuthi izinto sizenzayo because of sishonelwa but or awusoze umuntu wavuka athi uyathakatha ufana nomamakho uthi angithuke ngomzalo wami uceda ushona awusho or like umuntu uvela athuka uthi malume amtshele athi umtshele ukuthi makoko ngicela ukuthi uthule usikhathi sekushaka abantu uceda ushonelwa manje uzothukana ngamathi uthukelana la loya yali bosatha uthi umuntu vele athethe uthi vele umuntu athethe awusoze athethe into esingayazi aletha mali dinqaka la libaloyi uthi vele aphume ahambe like that uthi uMakhosi angitshela never in your entire life uye kuloya muzi nanoma bangathi uyagula uyabhiza ungayi uzokuthatha njengomamakho or awusoze azange ngabelieve ukuthi into so ngiyangivelela arimara ke bone ka mahlo gore motho aka go tshwala 9 months a jiga kuthakathe or awusoze as much as I can say ukuthi mama financially ngikile financially covered at I'm not going to uthi ngikhohlwe angeke ngize ngikhohlwe ukuthi umalumama ulole kanjani or awusoze kule process le ngihambile your credit chelete and stuff like that would I gave my uncle 100,000 like umlebo gore even if lo muntu umzali wakho ngithi mangikhala wangizwa esomzali wayekwabhenike kwami uthi awusoze even umkamalumama like I consider her as my mother because of if ever it wasn't for her abengakakhona ngikuyilwa lempilo ngikayikhona or awusoze the way impilo yami ebe messed up ngakhona after I found out ukuthi ugokwami wenzeni umama or awusoze azange vele ngisazi associate ne family the only family benginayo kamalumama namkaka malumama phela laba abanye bengasayi because bengazi ukuthi lokho kusebenzana nobani behind closed doors or ebusuku or awusoze I made peace now knowing ukuthi umama urestile naye ureste in peace but for ukuthi ngathi ngine family uthi I've moved to another province ngiqale impilo kabusha but ukuthi ngathi ngine family I don't consider myself as umuntu one family because of family kawolaya yawungephela yajika yakutsusha ukuthi ube isitohlwana sakho uthi it's the only thing engirealizile ngempilo ukuthi umuntu makathi lo muntu akase right u dangerous believe ngoba lo muntu lo there is something in him tshela ukuthi akase right Aslepons abantu bayazibona shem la ngaphandle yo kube nomuntu athi uloya buku hi bye guys.